Egg curry is super easy to make and very delicious. And since eggs are super versatile, you can create recipes that need minimal ingredients and the outcome is very delicious. Eggs are a good source of protein that our body needs on day-to-day basis. So this recipe is just worth trying. As you can see, the ingredients are very few. I have my eggs over here, tomatoes, onions, garlic and ginger together with coriander, a few spices and tomato paste. Not forgetting cooking oil. For this recipe, I'm going to be adding 5 eggs. You can feel free and add in more eggs. So you're going to place a pot over high flame and add in cold water. Let the water come to a boil and then you're going to be placing in your eggs carefully into the boiling water. Once your water comes to a boil, you're going to add in a pinch of salt. Carefully place in your eggs into the boiling water. Adding in salt into the boiling water is going to help you while peeling the eggshells. So don't skip on the salt. Boil your eggs for around 10 minutes so that you can get that perfect hard-boiled egg. As my eggs are boiling, I'm going to be prepping up my fresh ingredients. I've already prepped up, that is removing the outer skin of the onions. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to roughly chop up my vegetables and using my mini processor, I'm going to be blending into a paste. After 10 minutes, you're going to put out the flames and scoop out your eggs. Place in a bowl with cold water. This is for the eggs to cool down. Place aside and let this sit for around 2 minutes as I prep up my fresh ingredients. So I'm going to roughly chop up my onion. Transfer to my mini processor together with my ginger and 3 cloves of garlic. Then I'm going to cover and blend. I love using my mini processor because it makes work very easy. Over high flame, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add in your onions together with garlic and ginger into the pan. Then you're going to saute the onions for around a minute until the onions are soft and the garlic and ginger is fragrant. Next, I'm going to pick 3 tomatoes and transfer to my mini processor. Next, I'm going to add in 1 chili for a little bit of spiciness, but the chili is quite optional. Cover my mini processor and blend the tomatoes. Check on my onions. And the onions are looking soft and the garlic and ginger is fragrant. So the next step is to add in my crushed or blended tomatoes. Get the rest of the tomatoes from the processor. Stir in. Add in some curry powder, cumin powder, garam masala and mustard seeds into the pan, together with a tablespoon of tomato paste. Stir in everything together. To season my gravy, I'm going to add in a seasoning cube and a little bit more salt to fully season my egg curry. Stir in the seasoning and then you're going to let the tomatoes cook for around 2 minutes over medium-low flame. So as my tomatoes are cooking, I'm going to be peeling my already cooled eggs. So to peel eggs, it's quite easy. You're just going to use your countertop, and then you're going to use your spoon and get underneath the shell. And it's going to be quite easy because we added in some salt. As you can see, there's no effort. And then you're going to repeat until you're done peeling your eggs. Check on my tomatoes, and they are halfway cooked. So I'm going to let this cook for around another minute. When you notice oil separating from the tomatoes, just like this, your tomatoes are ready. You're going to stir in. Adding in a pinch of sugar or a quarter teaspoon of sugar to the recipe is going to reduce the acidity of the tomatoes. This is how my tomatoes are looking like. So the next step is to add in your boiled eggs into the saucy and delicious tomatoes. So I'm going to carefully drop in my eggs. Add in half a cup of water. Stir in your eggs into the already well seasoned curry. And then you're going to lower the flames to low and let this cook for around 5 minutes until the sauce has reduced and it's thick and looking very delicious. I've already chopped up my coriander, ready to garnish when the dish is ready. You can see that my egg curry is looking very delicious. So the next step is to garnish my curry with some coriander. In a matter of 20 to 30 minutes, my egg curry is ready and it's looking so good. I love how flavorful the curry is since we added some warm spices, and how rich the curry is looking. You can serve this over some basmati rice and it's going to be a hit. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll be trying out this easy and amazing recipe.